so looking forward to this. What is it, Owen? What's on there? Is it a bug?
Hi,
There's a
Tommy.
tiny bug on your floor. He also really likes bugs.
God, did you get tickled by
He has,
the tail?
he
There's
has
another kitty.
a pet earwig in the bathroom.
Oh, God.
There's Lily, Owen. Lily.
Does Lily like your toes? Where's Tommy? Yeah, there's Tommy.
Tommy's sniffing my toes, Owen.
You put your hand out for Tommy? Does that make you happy? Yeah, there's another kitty.
He's hearing. Do you hear a kitty meowing in the other room?